Hey guys, this is Mike from BTech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the RAZER KISHI. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a look at the RAZER KISHI. Now this is a small, I guess Bluetooth or whatever you want to call it device that you connect to an Android phone. There is an iPhone variant of this, right? But basically it just allows you to connect it to your device so that you can play your favorite games on here. Now of course this specific game, it looks like Fortnite in the background. I'm not 100% sure. I got this on Amazon for like 50 bucks. The other day I was at Target about a week ago, and I saw this on the shelf for like 99 bucks, and I was like, let me see if I can maybe look at it for something cheaper than what it was selling for at Target. And sure enough, I went on Amazon and it was there on Amazon. So we'll go ahead and take a look at it really quick, guys. Again, it says clickable analog thumbsticks, again for most Android devices, and it's got an economic design. So if we look at the back here, again, make your move. Again, it says cloud gaming compatible for next gen gaming, ultra low latency gameplay, and again Type-C charging port. So I'm interested to see like how this charges, and again this is mostly just an unboxing. I do want to make a separate video on how it actually works and setting it up and everything like that, which I'm gonna have to maybe do a little research on, and it might not be too complicated. It might just be plug and play, right? For the most part, let's use the trusty dusty knife here, and we'll get this going here. And for people that are interested in buying this, again, I missed something on the side here. It says clickable analog thumbsticks and fits most Android devices. So I am going to test this out with a few of my devices here, one of them being the Pixel 5a, which was just sent to me a while back. So a shout out to Team Pixel for sending that to me. But here's the actual device itself. So just let's pull it out, see how it looks like. And well, okay, we'll look at what else is in the box here. Look at the back first. Okay, let's see. It says pull from the bottom to release, etc., like that. Okay, let's see. I have no clue what I'm doing here, by the way, but it says pull from the bottom to release, and then from here, let's go ahead and take that sticker off. Ooh, no one ever looks at the stickers anyway. So basically, I guess the way it's set up, and I guess you have to be extra careful because this is actually a part of the actual device here. Just looking at it, I mean, for the most part, it feels pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie to you. Again, it looks like maybe down here is the charging port. Maybe it does have a little area on the bottom. And again, I'm gonna look at the instructions right when the time gets to it. I want to say that's probably where you charge it, though. If anything, if I can get the sticker off here, let's take a look at that. Come on, sticker, do your job here. It's a hard sticker, and this is what happens when you cut your nails, honestly. Yeah, it does look like a Type-C charging port there. So very interesting though. And again, it does plug in via USB Type-C to your actual device. And I don't know, let's get this connected. I'm actually going to unplug it. I'm going to take off my case from my phone just so that this can be a little bit easier. And let's take a look. Let's see what's happening here really quick. It says fits most devices, but does it? And this is a 5.7 inch screen, so I'm gonna tell you, or it's a little over 6 inches on the screen. So let's see if it stretches. Looks like it does for the most part. And again, I don't know how well this stays or sticks on the actual device itself. Again, if you look here in the back, you see here that it does stretch out a little bit more. Again, this is my Pixel 5a, and I don't know if there's any sort of clamping or attachments on there. I guess from an aesthetic, it looks pretty okay. Like I'm not gonna lie, it does look pretty good. Let's get this unlocked really quick just so that we can take a look more, see if there's any connectivity here. And one thing I will tell you is I do already have Fortnite installed on here. So again, I don't know if there's going to be any. Let's take a look here. Again, all right, I did get it unlocked. Let's see if there's any. I don't even know how to turn this thing on. Let's see, turn it on. So just having it connected to the device, I can tell that, you know, doing something here, it does allow you to connect it, you know. So I mean, once you have the type C connector in here, you know, it does allow you to turn this on. So let's turn on Fortnite. I mean, it's already working technically. That home button works already. So okay, I don't know if you need batteries for this thing. I don't know if there's like a wireless Bluetooth connectivity to it, right? But let's see if there's any play with Fortnite. Again, I just downloaded Fortnite, right? So I might have to log in, etc. This and that. I wonder if this is like a little kickstand. I don't know what this little button does. Update required. Oh, okay, let's take a look here. Confirm. All right, let's skip this portion of this. All right, so the game finally updated. That took a whole 30 minutes because the download file was so large. So I'm gonna tell you guys right off the bat, this control does work with the game, or at least it seems. So I'm actually just going to maybe just jump into a regular battle royale if I remember how to do this. Again, the way it's set up is you have A, B, X, Y, right? So you know, again, it's going to be a little bit differently set up than you might see on other controllers. It's very similar to like what you would see with an Xbox controller, though. You know, you have your main analog stick up here, and then the right analog stick is going to be a little more towards the bottom right. You know, you have your home button, your start button, you have your D pads, and your you know, your left trigger 1 and 2 up here, and your right trigger 1 and 2 up there. And again, well, let's go ahead and get this going again. I don't know, most popular. Again, let's just click it. Let's play. Let's see if I get any connections here. Let's see, why to play. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Let's see, can I still do this? Okay, and again, I'm getting used to the controls because again, these are like dedicated controls, and I do want to pretty much get this going as far as like Xbox Game Pass, because I hear a lot of the Xbox Game Pass games work with this control as well. So it's gonna be something that I have to get used to. But I guess we'll see what happens. Again, I am connected to visible wireless or visible service, so this is not Wi-Fi. So let's see. Boom, boom. Okay, so right trigger presses this, you know, does this up here. Yeah, and everyone's already. I'm trying to build, I guess, and here we go. So again, right trigger messes with this. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, for people that want to, you know, play this game again, and again, I have the game set to default settings right now, so I don't know. Like, I'm pretty sure you can probably go in there and change the button layout for more, you know, pleasing gaming for people that, you know, like to play this game. I personally don't play Fortnite. I personally would have probably preferred to download Call of Duty Mobile. But the thing is, I already looked into it, and that game is not compatible with this specific control. Now, it is you can connect it with an Xbox controller via Bluetooth, right? But in any case, if you guys again are wondering, this is the Pixel 5a, and you know, just out of the gate, I can tell you there is a little bit of lag, but I don't know if that's my connection or whatnot. So, can I deploy my parachute? There you go. You can see that, deploying the parachute. Overall, game looks pretty good on the actual system, though. Again, a little bit of stutteriness when I tilt left, tilt right. You can tell there's a little bit of stutteriness over here going. So I'll wait to land, and then we'll get this going. Okay. All right. So my guy just landed. And again, I don't know how to play this game, guys. So there's just there's that there. Let's see if I can destroy some stuff here, just so that we can try this out. But again, it's pretty cool. Again, it's pretty much advertising that you can play Fortnite with this, so I think that's pretty cool right out of the gate, you know, that you can definitely look at that and start playing Fortnite, you know, out of the gate with this actual control. I'm already getting shot by somebody over here. Boom. Okay, and I just died. I don't know. I play 73, guys. Okay, you guys can see how bad I am at this game. So there's the guy that killed me. Hopefully he dies. But for the most part, again, guys, you know, this was just a quick unboxing and I guess quick overview of this. Now, of course, again, I do want to download Xbox Game Pass and try it out because it's only $1 for like the first month, and I want to kind of see what kind of, you know, games I can test out with this specific device. You know, again, I paid about $50 on Amazon, and you can actually get it cheaper depending on where you get it. So I will go ahead and put down the link down below so you guys can check that out. And again, guys, the RAZER Kishi, you know, definitely something that you would want to consider if you guys are heavily into gaming and you don't like to use the actual, you know, controls for this. Now, of course, there are other options, right? But again, for someone that wants to kind of, you know, have kind of like a Game Gear setup, this literally reminds me of the Game Gear from like, you know, 25 years ago, from when Sega came out with that. You know, it looks like that. Again, I'm not really a fan of how it looks like in the back, etc., like that. But again, I mean, to each his own, right? You know, and again, I'm wanting to see if this control can actually be used without actually having to be connected to the actual device as well. So I'll maybe make another video on that. So again, guys, Mike from BTech Review signing off. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.